Everyone, thank you for watching the video. Today we're going to be trying to remove oil stains from our driveway. We've got a car here that's got some bad seals, and so when you back out sometimes, especially if you do what I did the other day and back out just a little bit and stop, you'll get something like that. Now these are fairly fresh. It has rained since these spots have been here. There's some more down there I'll show you, but there's one. Here's a bigger one. How big is it? It's pretty big. I'm guessing maybe 9 inches. What we're going to be using today to remove these stains is brake cleaner, non-chlorinated, which is going to be much faster than the other chlorinated brand or brands. So yeah, here's chlorinated. This will work. It just takes longer to dry. So I like this much better here, the fast drying stuff. Okay, so if you use brake cleaner, make sure that you read the back of it, because this stuff is highly flammable. You don't want to be smoking and using this stuff. Wear a mask, gloves, proper ventilation, and let's find out specifically what it's for. It says, it says specifically to remove brake fluid, grease, oil, and other contaminants. So we have a straw here for a finer stream or spray. I don't think we'll need the straw. Yeah, make sure you read everything. Handling. Don't think I'm going to use my gloves, because I'm not going to be using this directly, or I probably won't get this on my hands. But let's grab a towel. All right, so we got our shop towel, our t-shirt. It's pretty filthy, actually. It'd be nice to have something a little cleaner. I'm just gonna spray this on here. And this is going to probably take about 3 times to remove this. Make sure that you wear a nice mask, ventilated with proper ventilation as well. A lot of times when you have spots like this, it will actually move the oil to the outer circle. Looks like that may have not happened here tonight. Maybe it did over here, but that's where it was. Looking really good. Okay, let's go with this one right here. Now, some people will take the spray or spray it and then put down like kitty litter. I've never done that, but I'm sure that will work as well. Let's get the spot right here. Okay, so that's where our spot was. Very, very faint. If I didn't know it was there, I wouldn't even really be able to tell. Okay, I guess that's going to be it. Want to do another one? Let's try these out here. Okay, like I said, we can do it 2 or 3 times if we want. For me, that looks pretty good. We'll go ahead and, for the sake of the video, try to get it a little bit better. Yeah, I think that's better. Anyway, brake cleaner. It's a pretty good job. I got some more I'm going to deal with. I'm not going to make you watch that, but yeah. Thanks for watching the video. Till next time, have a nice day. Take care.